Welcome students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between private sector enterprise and public sector enterprise. In previous video, I have told you about that the Indian economy is mixed, in which private as well as public sector plays an important role in economic development of country. In previous chapter we have learned about the various private sectors, and in this chapter we have to learn about the public sectors. Let us have a look on difference between private sector and public sector. The first difference is ownership. So on the basis of ownership we can easily differentiate private sector with public sector. You know that private sector is owned by private individual or group of individuals, and public sector enterprise is owned by state government, central government, or both. Remember this point. Private sector is owned by the private persons, public sector is owned by the state government, central government, or both. The second difference is objective, motive. You know that the private sector's enterprise, the private sector enterprise's objective is to earn maximum profits. Every private enterprises, whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, its main objective is to earn maximum profits. But the objective of public sector, while we can say public sector's objective is to promote public welfare. So private sector's objective is to earn maximum profits, and public sector enterprises objective is to promote public welfare. Got it? तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर किस लिए बनी हुई है? प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड ओनली टू अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट्स. पब्लिक सेक्टर इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट in order to promote the public welfare, in order to help the society, in order to provide the service to the society. Another important differentiate is social objectives. You know that social objectives are related to society. Every businessman has some social objectives, like public sector has also some social objectives. तो अगर हम बात करेंगे प्राइवेट सेक्टर की, सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दीज एंटरप्राइजेस आर एस्टेब्लिश्ड ओनली फॉर अर्निंग प्रॉफिट. While as public sector enterprises are launched in order to achieve social objectives like development of backward areas या backward regions, creation of employment opportunities. But we know that public sector enterprises are established only for the welfare of society, in which there is a development of backward regions, creation of employment opportunities. Got it? Financial assistance to weaker sections. So this is the difference between the private sector enterprise and public sector enterprise on the basis of social objectives. Another differentiate is forms of organization. In private sector there is a sole proprietorship, there is a partnership, there is a joint family business, there is a cooperative society and joint stock company. Under the private sector, which type of business organization is to be established? तो sole proprietorship is there, partnership is there, joint Hindu family is there, cooperative society is there, joint stock company is there. These all forms of organization you have learnt in previous chapter. While as the public sector enterprises, there is a departmental undertaking, there is a departmental undertakings, there is a statutory corporation, there is a government company. In this chapter you have to learn about the public sectors like departmental undertakings, statutory corporations and government companies. Got it? This is the forms of organization. This is the difference between private sector and public sector on the basis of forms of organization. Management के बेस पे अगर हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेज आर मैनेज्ड बाय प्रोफेशनल मैनेजर्स. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. Private sector enterprises are managed by the professional managers, while as public sector enterprises are managed by the bureaucrats. Remember this point. On the basis of management, we can easily differentiate the private sector with public sector. Private sector is managed by the professional managers and public sector is managed by the bureaucrats. Another differentiate is financial resource. We know that in private sector enterprises there is a limited financial resources because the owners are less in number. तो ये देखिए आप, limited financial resources in private sector, less scope of expansion is there. We know that in private sector enterprises the financial resources is limited, so that there is no huge scope for the expansion or growth. While as public sector enterprise there is a huge financial resource because these enterprises are managed, controlled and owned by the government. So huge financial resources in public sector enterprises, there is a huge we can say high chance of chance of expansion and we can say high scope for expansion and growth. Got it? समझ आ रहा है? तो पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेज में जो फाइनेंशियल सोर्स होता है दैट इज इन ह्यूज फॉर्म, सो दैट वी कैन से दिस इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन एक्सपेंशन एंड ग्रोथ. अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज अनदर डिफरेंशिएट. अकाउंटेबिलिटी मीन इज बीइंग आंसरेबल. तो यू नो दैट प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज आंसरेबल या अकाउंटेबल टू ओनर्स. ये प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जो एम्प्लॉयज होते हैं दीज आर आंसरेबल टू ओनर्स ऑफ द एंटरप्राइज. While as public sector enterprise is answerable या accountable to public through parliament. यानी public sector enterprise is accountable, it is answerable to public but through parliament. So these are the differences between the private sector and public sector.